Hi friends, Shannon here from Cards by Shannon Lee. I have a stack of handmade greeting cards that I'm going to give away. If you'd like to know how to receive or possibly win this stack of greeting cards, stay tuned till the end of the video, or stay tuned throughout the video. I will explain how you can enroll to receive or enroll in the giveaway. What I want to also tell you before I get into the cards is that I am a speaker in the next stress-free card making summit, and what that is an online summit it is for 3 days from October 17th through the 19th, and my presentation, I will show you how to create this card and how you can purchase the digital stamp that I used or digital stamp set that I used to create this card for just over $1 US currency. The Stress-Free Card Maker Summit is just that. It is how to create greeting cards in a stress-free environment with minimal supplies. In my case, very minimal supplies and minimal cost of the supplies. So this is the card that I create in the summit. There are 20 plus speakers, and there is a link in the description box below that you can use to sign up for the summit. The summit is free, and with the free ticket, when you sign up, you will, beginning on October 7th, they will be releasing 6 or 7 presentations per day. You have 24 hours to view the presentations, and then after 24 hours they will release another 6 or 7 presentations, and they'll do that throughout the weekend. You will be prompted, if you're interested, after signing up for the free ticket, to purchase the bundle. The bundle gives you lifetime access to all of the presentations, so you don't have to worry about cramming it all into 24 hours. You also be invited to exclusive classes during the weekend. You'll receive discount codes from some of the sponsors. There's free gifts and downloads, bonus resources, and I personally am giving away a bundle of craft supplies to one lucky bundle recipient. So, link is in the description box below. Sign up for the Stress-Free Card Making Summit. Remember, that's October 17th through the 19th. Okay, now I have a bunch of cards and some die sets that I use to create these cards from Lifescraftart.com. And these cards, or these die sets, are also very inexpensive. If you know me at all, you know that I'm a cheap chicken. I like to watch my pennies, so I'm going to tell you about the die sets, and I'll let you know the price that I purchased them for. Please keep in mind that the prices are subject to change. I made the purchase about a month and a half ago. So these are the purchase price when I made the purchase a month and a half ago. I don't think the prices have changed, but I could be wrong. And this is the prices approximately October of 2025. So if you're viewing this later than that time, then there may be a variance in price. So the first card that I have, let me scoot that over. The first card that I have, I made with the die set called Joy Word with Snowflake. What's funny is it's the joy word, as you see here on my card, but the snowflake, I believe, is a poinsettia. I think they were mistaken when they named the die set. So this die set was $5.49. It comes with the joy word, and the letters are cut out separately, and then there's the frame around the letters that have these the foliage, the sprigs and branches, etc. Then there's a little poinsettia die, and the center to the poinsettia, and also a holly leaf. So very inexpensive die set, and here's the card that I created with this die set. So for $5.49, I was able to make this beautiful Christmas card just using a piece of very dark, deep dark green cardstock in the background as my matte layer. Then the background layer is a piece of teal cardstock. I did a little bit of ink blending around the sides. Then I cut from like a sage colored green cardstock and colored the sprigs with some Copic markers, colored my poinsettias with Copic markers, and the holly leaves with the Copic markers. What I would do different is I would probably do a little bit of gold and white splatter in the background, but that was an afterthought, so I didn't include it on this card. But I think this is going to be one that I mass produce for my own personal Christmas cards because I like it that much. Okay, so that was Joy Word with Snowflake. Then next we have Gnomes and Wreath. And on this card, I cut the wreath. Actually, I cut it all from white cardstock and colored it all with my Copic markers. And then the little berries, I used some gems to cover up the little berries so we add a little more sparkle to my card. And I used some shimmery cardstock in the background that I embossed with a Snowflake embossing folder, and then I just sanded off because the cardstock is white core, so I just sanded off the snowflakes to have them stand out a little bit more. And let me show you what comes in this. This comes with the wreath, a heart. It also comes with wings. I did not include wings on my gnome. The mustache, the beard, the bow, the other wing, the hat, the nose, and a little hand, and a little arm. So you can use the little hands or the arms, your choice. And that was $4.89 for, that's the Gnomes with Gnomes and Wreath. Okay, and next is Jingle All The Way. This is the word Jingle All The Way, or words Jingle All The Way. And it also has the shadow and the bow. So it's supposed to be like kind of like an ornament. I just used some scrapbook paper, and I believe this is called Christmas Time from Echo Park. And there was a little sheet music page, and I just cut out the section that said Jingle Bells, did some distressing around the outside and layered that on some shimmery red cardstock. And Jingle All The Way is $5.99. Okay, moving right along. This is a more simple card. This is called Let It Snow Word, and it has the Let It Snow. This is all one piece, and it has the two snowflakes. I just layered the word on top of some scrapbook paper, put a couple of gems on there, and layered that onto a piece of cardstock, and I'm going to show you the back of it. I actually cut that word out of my matte piece that you cannot even tell, so I saved on cardstock there too. So Let It Snow is $5.59. So on to our next one. This is one of my favorites. Besides the Joy Word, I really like this, and this one cracks me up too because the name of it is called Roller Skate. but as you can see, it is an ice skate. And I didn't quite think this through when I was creating it, but it comes with these flowers. I guess they could be poinsettias, or I made them into sunflowers, and there's two of two different size. There's also a really large leaf, and then some branches, one with berries, and one kind of a pine sprig or pine bough, and then a leafy branch, and then the centers for the poinsettia / sunflower. It comes, the layer, or the roller skate / ice skate has layers to it. Has the boot has a layer, and then you have the layer for the laces, and then these are the little pieces of the laces. And let me give you a close-up of that. So I did the same that I did with the others. I cut it all out of white cardstock, with an exception of the bottom portion. I cut a second layer of the main piece out of, and that's the main piece with the skate blade out of some silver mirror cardstock, and I just cut that down so that it would fit underneath the heel of the boot and the bottom of that, and layered it on top. So this one I used that same teal colored cardstock that I used on that Joy word card, and did the same ink blending around the edge, but this time layered it on some white cardstock, and I used the sentiment Happy Everything because it's not quite Christmas, not quite Thanksgiving, you know, fallish, so it's a combination of everything. So it's Happy Everything. So on to our next, oh, this was the most expensive set, and this set was $10.99. Okay, my next card is from a die set called Mushroom and Leaves. And what I did with this, you notice there's the two different of the large cap mushrooms. I used those two, and then there's one of this spiraling, large spiraling branch. What I did was I cut two of them. One I put on, you know, the correct way. The other one I flipped it over. And what I do so that you don't have that sharp edge on the, as you do on the opposite side of a die cut, is I just went over it very carefully with my bone folder and kind of flattened out that ridge that you get from the back side of a die cut. But it also comes with two other small cap mushrooms, a little small version of this leafy branch, and then like a fern. So the mushrooms is $5.99. And then we have my last card, but not my last die set. It is made with the die set called Houses, and it's a border die. And what I want to show you, I'm going to have to bring it up close. This is a Halloween border. I also used the Happy Everything because I wasn't sure, you know, I'm giving these away. I wasn't sure if whoever were to receive these, if they celebrate Halloween, so I didn't want to use a Halloween sentiment. But if you notice, in the back, or in this silhouette here that I've cut out of black cardstock, there's a little witch on a broom, a little moon, and I have no idea what it is that's right next to the moon. There's a bat over here, there's a little crow down here, and then they have these little spooky trees, and I just think this is an adorable border die. And that, the Houses die is $3.89. So that's the last of my cards, but I will show you two more die sets. No, yeah, two more die sets. Okay, this is called Forest and Hut, and it's another, it's stuck to my little folder here. It's another border die, but this has some pine trees in the background and then pine trees in the foreground, and then also little cabins, and that would make also a really nice silhouette border on an ink blended background, but that one I did not get to. And the final, the Forest and Hut is $4.99, and the final die set is Christmas Bell, and this comes with the bell, is it called a pendulum on a bell, or is that just on a clock? Whatever, the ding-donger thing. And then a bow, leaf, and a sprig of berries. And that Christmas Bell die set is $3.99. Now, if you want to know what to do to win this stack of cards, you should do a couple of things. Number one, leave a comment in the comments below. That's right below the description box underneath the video. Leave a comment and tell me which one you would like to see me recreate in a video, and after the giveaway on October 10th, I will calculate all of the recommendations, and I will do a tutorial on one of the cards that I've created here. So just tell me what card set, or what card, describe the card or the die set in the comments below that you like the most and would like to see me recreate. Number two, subscribe to my channel. If you're already subscribed to the channel, that's great. But if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. That helps me out enormous, and that's why I'm able to do giveaways that I do all the time. Number 3, there is an entry form in the description box just below this video. Complete the entry form and you will be entered in the contest to win. You have to do all 3 steps. I will be checking to make sure that the winner that is randomly drawn has completed all of the steps in order to receive the 7 greeting cards that I've shared with you from the Lifescraftart die sets. It's not including this. This I have to hold on to for the week of the summit so that I can show it in my question and answer live that I will be doing on Sunday. So my presentation will be on October 19th. So subscribe to my channel, like the video, complete the entry form below the video in the description box, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Oh, I forgot one more thing, number 4. In order to enter the giveaway, you have to sign up for my newsletter. My newsletter is also located in the description box below. If you have any questions for me or concerns, you can reach me at my email address. It's admin, ADMIN, @cardsbyshannonlee.com. Bye for now.